Welcome guys to another Call of Duty mobile video. I am Anirudh here and let's begin. First of all, I'll show you an overview of my loadout. The main weapon is the QQ9 because it's a solid weapon. It does pretty good at all ranges, but I mostly use it for close range gunfights because I like to hip fire a lot. And my secondary is the knife danger zone. I switched to the knife because I can run faster with it, and my character is a special ops 5 with the danger zone background. And anyway, danger zone is the theme for season 7 update, and season 7 update happened the last couple of days. And my operator skill is the annihilator, and my lethal is a trip mine, and the non-lethal is a cyro bomb because I can drop it at the any bases that I've captured, and the enemies can't go near it. Even if they go, they'll get freezed and I can kill them easily. And now let's hop into a multiplayer. And anyway, Attack of the Undead is the most recent mode. It used to be called as Infected mode in the past Call of Duty, but I don't know why they named it as Attack of the Undead. Anyway, it's one of the biggest changes in Call of Duty, and it's one of the best in Season 7 update. Now let's go into... And as you can see, I am tier 41. Tier 41 and my level is 88. And my name is AGS1230. If you want to add me as a friend, you can of course add me as a friend and we can play together. And now let's hop into a ranked match and we'll begin. Let's see what we have got. We have got team deathmatch firing range. There will be many snipers around here on the other team, so we got to be careful. I think I am Elite 4 and the others are Elite 2 and 3. Yes.
Team deathmatch.
I'll switch out to them. Yes, let's take it. I think we are gonna win this one. Let's see what guns my friends have. UL736, BY15, S36. I think they are somewhat nice players. Let's see. Drop a trip mine over here.
Target's in sight. We lost the lead.
Yeah, my teammate killed him.
It's too close. Fight harder. We can win this.
Yes, guy over there.
Taking the lead. Reloading. Cover me.
I think why I had dropped the trip mine over there instead of here. But if I drop the trip mine over there, anyone might come there. But because the enemies know I'm here, they won't be coming here because I can easily take them down. And because it's team deathmatch, every single kill matters.
Enemy in sight. UAV online.
Right. See, I told you that I like to hit.
Changing mag.
This is what I mean. Where's he going? Yeah, he's coming up. You guys. Where did they... Yeah.
Reloading.
This is what I
Cover me.
told. Someone will randomly just go there. See, I need...
Reloading. Cover me.
Let's go up. Running out of ammo. Go take the gun. Okay. Quite a nice gun.
Enemy contact.
My teammate got him. Let's do this.
Reloading. Cover me.
Yeah, teammate, go. I got your back. Let's go. And if you didn't know this position, it's quite a good place to camp. You can throw a shield around right here, and you can camp. There's a guy behind me.
I'm down.
Let's take out the LK-24. Not be using the LK-24 at close ranges because it's so bad at close range, because the hip firing is not accurate at all. Now I'm gonna get my annihilator. Oh, I could have got a kill streak. I was such a good kill streak, but he killed me. That's no problem. Get my annihilator and we'll kill them. Yeah, see, I got my annihilator. Let's go somewhere.
Down.
Yeah, annihilator. Here, around here. Let's go there. See, there's a guy there. 8, not 8. What? There's a guy there.
Targets in sight.
I was just standing at one place and they didn't kill me. Yeah, that guy killed me. There were 3 enemies and I killed one and my teammate killed one, but there was still one guy.
This one. Heads
Killed
up.
one.
Enemy UAV spotted.
It's an enemy UAV. Pistol AK-47. Yeah, see, only took like few seconds to shoot down the UAV. That's how it is.
Contact with enemy.
Now I'm gonna be switching. Coming right around here. See if my teammate killed him or he went into there. Now he's coming. Let's go up there.
Reloading.
Throw a trip mine. Now I'm gonna throw a trip mine around here because they know that someone will be camping here.
They're hurting. Keep fighting.
See, they're coming up. Think that there's a guy coming up. No. My teammate killed him. Good job, teammates. Throw something, that thing right over there. That should do it.
Targets in sight.
Yeah, I got the last kill. What a way to go. Guys, this is the end for this video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe. I'd highly appreciate it. And I'm going to be making videos daily, so be sure to subscribe. That's all, guys. See you tomorrow.